A dump truck's rear wheels sank straight into a swamp because the driver mistook the brake for the gas pedal. The truck instantly began to tilt, and the driver scrambled out to save his skin, while the spotter stood there with hands on hips, looking totally unfazed since he figured it wasn't his fault. Directing to keep the truck from being swallowed by the mud. The driver quickly opened the bed and dumped all the sand inside. On one hand, this lightened the load, and on the other, the massive pile of sand helped stabilize the soft ground nearby. A nearby bulldozer rushed over to help, leveling the sand bit by bit to make the surface as firm as possible for the upcoming rescue. During this, dozens of other dump trucks arrived to pour even more sand, fearing the trapped vehicle would be completely consumed by the swamp. Once things felt ready, the bulldozer tried to yank the truck out with a tow rope, but reality proved tougher than expected. Even with the dozer floored, the truck wouldn't budge an inch. A clever driver spotted the issue. The rear wheels were buried too deep, so they quickly adjusted the plan. First, the bulldozer moved to the rear to lift the truck's bed with its bucket, raising the back end. Then, everyone started filling the gap with dry sand so the rear wheels could regain friction during the pull. Feeling confident, the bulldozer moved back to the front for another go, and wouldn't you know it, it actually worked. The trapped truck was pulled out in one shot. So, what do you all think of this rescue?